you're thinking about buying a handheld gaming PC or switching to SteamOS in 2026, here's my honest take after spending time with it. SteamOS has come a long way. The interface is clean, responsive, and feels like it was built specifically for gaming. Navigating your library, downloading games, and jumping into a session is incredibly smooth. One of the biggest advantages is how lightweight it is compared to Windows, which often translates into better battery life and slightly improved gaming performance. That said, SteamOS isn't perfect. While thousands of games run flawlessly thanks to Proton, some multiplayer titles with certain anti-cheat systems still aren't supported. If your favorite game falls into that category, it's definitely something to consider before making the switch. For most gamers, though, SteamOS delivers an excellent experience. It's stable, easy to use, and receives regular updates that continue to improve compatibility and performance. Unless you rely on Windows-only software or unsupported games, I think SteamOS is absolutely worth it in 2026. Overall, if gaming is your priority, SteamOS remains one of the best operating systems available for handheld PCs, and I can confidently recommend it.